Hello everyone, yes, today war day number 357. 357 days ago the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed since that day. And in 9 days it will be 1 year, so well, 1 year in war. Alright, in today's newspaper of war Wednesday, February the 15th, 2023, we have here 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary, the medium Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. But we have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. Alright, come on. Yeah, this page. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, a tectonic with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all because it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And I've also these 3 regular puzzles. So will be a lot of puzzles for today. First one, the binary puzzle, and this one will be number 5963. 5963. And before I start, I always count or print the digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 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 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So those 2 boxes should be an O. Okay. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. And I know the 5th O should be in one of these 2 boxes. Otherwise, if I place the 5th O here or there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So those 2 boxes should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Alright. Now. Let me see. Yeah. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this cannot be no. There should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. And here we have 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this last column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Alright. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Alright, still we have 4 1s in the last column. If I place number 5, the 5th one here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in the last column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the 5th one. So that box should be an O. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's in this column. If I place number 5 here, the 5th O, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. There should be a 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 1s. Then. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, this will be difficult. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I need to compare. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 4 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, here no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Okay, let me continue with this column. Still, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we still have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. And an O between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and 5th O. So those 2 boxes should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Correct. Now we have 2 rows or 2 columns left. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The question is compare the columns or compare the rows. Let me check for 1001. Do we have a 1001 here? Here we have a 1001. 01, yeah. Here, yeah, wow, almost the same, almost the same. So I cannot compare this one. How about this one? 10 1 1 0. 10 1 1 0. 10 1 1 0. 1 1 0 here. 10 1 1 0. 10 10 1 1 0 here. 10 1 no, cannot compare this row, so I need to compare the columns then. Do we have 0 1 1? 0 1 1 here, no, not the same here. 0 1 1, we have 0 1 1 here, no. Then 100, let me check. 100 here, double O, yeah, the O, yeah, 0 0 1 1, yeah. Only one time comparing. 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. 0 0 empty box. 1 1 0 0 0 0. We need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double check. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Correct, in 11 minutes. Wow, need the time to solve, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other two puzzles, the Sudoku Medium and the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.